Alrighty, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to watch some behind the scene footage of a Toyota Hiace we've been converting into a camper van. It's all new to us, the behind the scene footage, so we really tried our best. There are some things that we missed, but we're going to continue to work harder and try and make sure we can capture as much as possible. Hope you guys enjoy the video and stay tuned for the full van tour. Let's get right into it. Here's the man for Lockie here. What are you working on, Lockie?
On this head pig for this Hiace here to get a nice headboard finish on our lining boards.
Nice.
So we're standing this up and it will fix here so our lining boards can run right into it and create a nice finished product.
That's the way. This is that headboard we were talking about yesterday. Gives us that nice line there to finish into. Looks nice and tidy as well. And the boys are just in here.
This goes floor to ceiling. So you don't really want to take out too much chunk.
Yeah, okay.
Mapping out the van. Right, here we got Mike templating our blackouts because we're going to run our lining all the way through, and these windows here 1, 2, 3 and 4 will be blocked out, but we don't want to see into the lining, so we've got this film now which is a nice matte black. We're just templating it, and then we can spray some water and a little bit of soap on the windows, and then that will black them out so you can't see anything from the inside. Just a nice and neat, tidy finish. Alrighty, the boys are working on the bed frame here. So this will house the drawers, the picnic table setup, and the bed will actually sit on top of that too. So Jem's just putting in the drawer runners here. Mike has been assembling some of the drawers that go around that picnic table setup. So loads of storage, and yeah, it's coming up really good. So we have got an upgrade going on to the workshop. Some big industrial fans. It's been hot in here. Our Hiace update over here. Q-Man is in today doing all our electrics, getting it set up, powering the system. So we've got a custom electrical panel in there, which is accessed from underneath the bed. And then we'll have our battery box separate, sealed and vented below and above as well. This one is getting there. Starting to really take shape. Our beds in, our cabinetry, we've got 3 drawers, and then we have the picnic table set up. So we've got little leather tabs to put on those, but pull the table out, you can sit back, relax, enjoy the view wherever you have, and you've got instant coverage above your head there too, which is cool. So we've got the overhead, we've got a big floor to ceiling cupboard up in there. It's going to have a mirror on the back of the door. Gem's just doing a bit of gapping, making it look pretty. And yeah, it's coming up really nice. Alrighty, so the Hiace. With our linings, I didn't actually get any footage of us putting the wall linings up, but essentially we glue and screw these to our battens, which are attached to the van themselves. And then obviously we use the car builder's 4-way stretch carpet, and that just gives us a nice finish to work up to. And that's across the top as well. So yeah. Hey guys, so that's a wrap for the Hiace build. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please stay tuned. We have a van tour coming up of that one, and it really happy with how it turned out. Next week, we're going to drop some footage of the Ford Transit that we've been working on. We've been working on that at the same time as we've been building the Hiace. So if you liked what you saw today, hit the subscribe button, please. And I'll have that content coming to you guys shortly. Thanks for watching.